The Intermedia Unite mobile app is a flexible, reliable, and easy-to-use application designed to keep you connected with your team and your customers anywhere, anytime. With the Unite mobile app, you'll be able to extend your business phone number and extension to your mobile phone so you can place and receive calls on the go. Seamlessly flip calls from your mobile device to your desk phone while on a call. Start an individual or team chat with anyone in your corporate directory. Text messages. View coworker availability. View chat history. Place direct calls, and more. All Unite conversations sync across your devices, so you stay connected and continue conversations no matter where you are. Access your desk phone voicemail from anywhere, at any time. You'll be able to see your voicemail, play and delete voicemail, forward voicemail, and more. Sync contacts from third-party platforms like G Suite and Outlook from your mobile device to all your Unite apps. To access your files and launch meetings on the go, head to Settings in your Unite app. The Unite mobile app brings together your business phone, conversations, company contacts, and more into the palm of your hand, providing you with the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere. The Unite mobile app is available in both Android and Apple iOS versions. Download it for free in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.